Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good morning, all of you. Very good morning to all of you. A
Good
very
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Children, as I already told you that we are revising, we are doing the practice of tables also in the class, and we are doing from last few days. So now today is the turn of table 16. Table 15 you will learn it because it's easy. So we will have done till 14. Now today we will do table of 16 and 17. So same way I will call the names from the chat box, people's column, and you to be ready because I will ask in the dodging form. And this is the orals. This is the oral of your maths tables. I will not separately take the oral. This is the oral of your maths tables till the Friday, whichever the table we revise, and I take the revision of the tables in the dodging form. This is your orals, okay? Be ready every time
Okay,
whenever
ma'am.
I give your in your classroom that you have to prepare the tables. So please prepare the tables, learn the tables, and then come in the classroom. And like Vivan Patel, that day told me that, ma'am, I don't know that answer. I don't want. I want everyone has to pay attention, and I want everyone has to see what the homework is given, and you have to learn. Okay, tables by till 20 you have to learn by heart. Okay, I'll start with Arav Palaskar. Arav Palaskar. Arav Palaskar, can I start? Please switch on your camera, Arav.
He is there in the class.
Yes, yes. Arav, please switch on your camera.
Yash Malhotra, you are not on your place, please.
I'll give chance to next child then. Children, please be alert for your chance. This is your maths tables orals, which I'm taking every day. And I will grade you on the basis of this. So please don't let your chance to go like this. Okay. Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Arna, 16 Forza.
Yes, ma'am. 16 for the 64.
Ahmad Noorani. Ahmad Noorani. I will call only child name 2 times. Anubhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Sevenza.
16 sevens are 112.
Very good. Dhruvi, wait. After Anubhavi, no, Arush. Arush, 16 Sixza.
16 6 16 6 96.
Advika Agarwal. Advika Agarwal. Okay, I will move to next child. Aryan Agarwal. Aryan Agarwal. Turn on your mic, please. Children, you are just simply. Am I audible to everyone,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Aryan, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Yes,
clearly
ma'am.
audible.
Okay, Aryan
Yes,
Agarwal.
ma'am.
16 Aidza.
Ma'am, 16 8 are 128.
Aurav Agarwal. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Nineza.
144.
Very good. Dheer Pipalia.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Fiveza.
Ma'am, 80.
Good. Dhruvi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
16
ma'am.
Sevenza.
16 sevens are 112.
Very good. Ishana.
112.
Ishana. 16 Nineza.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Nineza.
Just a minute. Ma'am, 69 is 144.
Hia Hapani. Hia Hapani. 16 Forza.
64.
Jaiwal. 16 Aidza.
16 8 128.
Kanan Lunia.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanan. 16 Sixza.
Ma'am. Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished writing my tables.
Very good. Very good, children. Those who are sitting, they please write 16 and 17 table in their notebooks today. Again, if you have already done. Yeah, 16, 6, Kanan.
Ma'am, 96.
Very good. Children, if you have already done, again also you have to write today's classwork table of 16 and 17. Kathan, Soda. Kathan. Kathan.
He has left the meeting.
Krishita.
Ma'am, I am.
Yeah, Jash Ruparelia.
Yes, ma'am.
Jash Ruparelia, 16 9s.
Ma'am, 1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4.
1, 4, 4. Sorry. 1,
Yes.
4, 4.
Children, once I finish with the table oral here, I will see everyone's notebook. Please write table of 16 and 17 in your notebook for today's classwork as a revision. Next is Krishita. Krishita, 16 8s. 16 8s. Don't look here and there.
128.
Yes. Mannat,
Yes, ma'am.
16 9s.
144.
Mayank. Mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Mayank, wait. Mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
Mantra 16 6.
16 6 are 96.
Mayank 16 8. Mayank
What, ma'am?
16 8.
128.
Nishika
Yes, ma'am.
16 7.
Ma'am, 1.
What one? 112.
Ma'am, 112.
Yes. Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Om Patel. Om Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8. Switch on your camera, please. 16 8. Om Patel, 16 8. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, what was your question?
16
hear
8.
you.
16 8. This is the common problem, my dear. 16 8.
128.
Okay. Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
16 9.
16 9 114.
114.
Ma'am, can you ask me?
Which child is saying, can you ask me?
Ma'am, 16 9 114 na.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Children, what is 16 9?
144. Ma'am, 144.
144. Pranchu.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8.
128.
After Pranshu, Preet. Yes,
ma'am.
17 table also you have to write. Next is
Yes,
Preet 16 4s.
16 4 64.
Purv
Yes, ma'am.
16 3s.
1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute what? Why you need 1 minute, my dear? 16 3s I'm asking simply.
I joined late. That's why I didn't know.
Why you join late? This is the problem with most of the children joining late.
Ma'am, I was having breakfast because guest has came in.
Okay, I have to move to next child then. Pooh, prepare yourself now. Riva.
Yes, ma'am.
16 5s.
80.
Ridhima. Ridhima.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6.
Ma'am, what?
16 6. Ridhima.
100.
16 6 100. This is the problem. You children are not learning tables at all at home. Aheli, you had joined late. That's why you had not got the chance. So wait for your turn now.
190.
Ma'am,
I also.
that because of network issue, I was trying to join. It was showing you're not allowed to join the meeting.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I will
there was
when I
my
take the
daddy was
second
lost.
round. When I will
My
take the
daddy was
second
lost.
Darsh Sonawala, I will come to your home and charge your battery.
Darsh Sonawala, sit properly.
Sit properly.
Ma'am, 96.
Yes, 96. Rudra Jalodra.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have not got the chance, I will take the second round. Then you will get the chance. You have joined late, so from next time you will join on time. Rudra Jalodra. 16 7.
Ma'am, 16 sevens are 112.
Swara.
Yes,
16
ma'am.
8. 16 8.
128.
Next is Tejaswi.
Yes, ma'am.
16 9.
144. 144.
Next is Trisha.
Yes, ma'am.
16 4.
16 for the 64.
Vansh Kalyani.
Yes, ma'am.
16 5.
80.
Vedansh Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8.
128.
Vihan Patel. Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
16 6.
Ma'am, 96.
Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8.
Ma'am, 16 8. 128.
Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
16 6.
96.
Rushika.
Yes, ma'am.
16 8.
128.
Yash Malhotra.
Yes, ma'am.
16 9.
16 9 144.
Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
16 5.
16 5. 80.
80. Children, last 5 minutes, I will take the second round. So everyone should be at the last. If you leave your class, your chance will go. So please be till last in your classroom for the next round. Now, today we will revise our 2 charts. One is pie chart. First of all, everyone show me your notebooks with the written work of your tables. Show me your notebooks.
Yes. Ma'am, can you? Yes, ma'am.
No one will ask.
Ma'am, can you take my gun? I can't leave my phone switch off automatically.
No, you please put your phone on charging.
Ma'am, you can see. Ma'am, can you
Please.
Ma'am, I did.
Ma'am, you can see.
Children, wait. Pranchu is saying something. Let me convey the message to Pranchu. Pranchu, you put it on charging. In case if you log out from any chance, I will take your turn tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
And everyone, I can. Okay. Pranchu, switch off your mic now. I can see the strength is 49 students are there in my class today. They should be. Children, no one will ask, you can see. Listen to first teacher. You all should be there till last. because I will take the second round of your tables with the table 17 last 5 minutes. So everyone should.
Ma'am, can you see?
And no one will ask Dhruvi. Just now I told no one will ask, can you see? Just hold, I can see. If your camera is on, if your notebook is there, they're on. Madhuri ma'am is also watching. I'm also watching you all. Please show us.
Yes, ma'am, we can see maximum of them are showing except Ridhima and
Ridhima is
Darsh
doing
Sonawala.
something. Yes, and
Yeah, and
Rishank,
Darsh
yes.
Sonawala, I think he has just woke up
Ruparelia.
now only.
Just Ruparelia, your camera is off.
Ma'am, can you
Ashita,
see my...
He is putting his hand so we cannot see him.
yes. Now put it down. Ridhima, you have done? Ridhima, I'm talking to you, my dear. I told children, everyone, to write the tables in the notebooks. Have you completed, Ridhima?
Vrushank, we can see, beta.
Ridhima, why are you behaving like that? You are not able to listen me. She's blank.
She is not responding at all.
Yes. Okay. Children, as you all know that we were doing pie chart, and pie chart reading we already have done. Okay. Today we will do how to draw a pie chart. Is everyone ready with their protractor, scale, pencil? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First, I will give you one example. Then you will take any data, any information, and then you have to draw a pie chart in your notebooks. For example, if I have taken a data, one man, he is having a shop, he sells some toys, and in the months, these are the months I will write, and I will write number of toys sold.
Vansh, we can see, beta, Vansh. Thank you.
Number of toys sold. This question everyone has to do in your notebook. Please write this data which I am writing. Write it in your notebooks. Months, in month of September, he sold 15 toys. In month of October, he sold 60 toys. In month of November, he sold 30 toys. And in month of December, he sold again 15 toys. Please everyone write what I am writing here on the board. In case, Madhuri ma'am, my board is clearly visible?
Yes, ma'am, we can see you. Ma'am, Mannat is telling he doesn't have the protector. I think Renu ma'am might be having some network issue. Yeah, now it is clear, ma'am. You got stuck up in between for a second.
Ma'am, okay.
Now
it's
it is
clear?
fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, now it is clear.
So everyone done this table. This is the information given to you, that number of toys sold in different months. This is the, you can write question like this, number of toys sold in different months. So now with this information given, you need to draw a pie chart. For drawing a pie chart, you first have a circle. You should have a circle of any radius. कितना भी बड़ा हो, अगर आप इतना छोटा सा circle भी बनाओगे, then also the data will come same. If it is a big, then also the data information will be same. So draw a circle of any radius. Have you understood, children, what is the radius? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. So draw a circle of any radius. कितना भी बड़ा एक circle बनाओ. After drawing a circle, okay, do you have written the table like this way only? The way I have written? Yes. Make one more column here. One more line.
The arc of sector.
Yes. Now you have to find out the central angle. We need to find out the central angle. This is the heading for this. Maybe, wait a minute. Central angle. How to find the central angle? First of all, we do the total of the information which is given to us. Find the total and tell me what is the total. Write it in the chat box. Write the total of this in the chat box, please.
Ma'am, I don't understand how to do this. Because I'm
Till now, Jaiwal, I told only do the total. I am explaining. No, now you will able to understand. Because you were absent on those days when I have done this topic, right, Jaiwal? Say yes or no.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now I am starting. I am doing it from the beginning. You pay attention here.
Maisha, please pay attention. Maisha.
So the information which is given to you, the number form which is given to you, you have to do the total of that. Okay. The total is 120. Everyone told me. For finding the central angle, we know that this complete circle is 360 degree. How much is the part of this 15? How we will show into the circle? We have to find out the central angle. How? Take the number this 15, divide it with the total which is 120, multiply it with the 360 degree. This way you will find the central angle for all. For second, what I will do, write it in the chat box. Thank you, Daksh Patel. Write it in the chat box how I will find the central angle for the October. $60 divided by 120, total will be same for everything. Yes. 60 divided by 120 multiply by 360 degree. Same way, do with everyone, like 30 divided by 120 degree multiply by 360 degree. 15 divided by 120 degree multiply by 360 degree. Find out the answer after dividing it and multiplying with the 360 degree. Find the answer for September and tell me what is the answer. Write it in the chat box. How many degrees will come?
Prithvi Patel has joined now.
Prithvi, where are you? Turn on your camera, please, and speak to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi, why you were late in the class?
No, ma'am, I joined now, not. I've joined.
But you have joined late, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time, please join on time.
Okay, ma'am.
15 divided by 120 multiplied by 360. Jaiwal, have you understood how to find?
Yes, ma'am.
So please find out how many degrees will come.
Ma'am, I'm doing that only.
No, Daksh Patel, it's wrong. Everyone, please write, then I will tell the final answer. I can see
Ma'am,
only.
can I?
Write in the chat box. Mannat, what are you writing? 8640. You need to find out in the degree. 15 divided by 120 multiplied by 360 degree. So those who are giving me Frushika, yours is wrong. Those who are giving me 45, they have to write 45 degree. Not only 45
degrees.
Yes, 45 degree.
Right.
What will be for the second?
Ma'am, by mistake send 40.
For the second one, Arush, find out.
No,
Find
ma'am.
here. Yes.
Ma'am, Swara here. Ma'am, what have you written after number of toys?
Number of toys, central angle. This is the last central angle you need to find out. The sector, the measurement of each angle. So what is the answer for the second is 180 degree. For the third is 30 divided by 120 multiplied by 360 degree. What is for this third one? Find out. Vrishank, Anubhavi, I want answer in the chat box from everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vrishank.
Ma'am, what is the answer of the first one?
Pruanshu, you need to find out by your own. I have written no doubt, but you need to find out. 15 divided by 120. The total will be same with everyone. The 360 will also be same with everyone. But the number which is here as the numerator will be different for like 30. Here it will be 15. Here it will be 60. Here will be 15. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
For the third one, it is 90 degrees. Daksh Patel, degree sign is wrong. The degree sign which you have put is wrong. It's percentage sign. This is not the degree sign. If you don't have a degree sign here, you just write the degree word. And the last one is 45 degree. 15 divided by 120 multiplied by 360 degree. Jaiwal, have you understood how to find out?
Yeah, ma'am.
After getting the degrees, 45 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, and the last one is also 45 degree, how to plot it on a pie chart? How to put this on a pie chart?
We need protector.
We need protractor. Yes, we need protractor. First of all, 45 degree you have to do. So from the center, take this as the radius. Put your protractor here. And now you are taking the 0 from your right hand side and 45 degree will come here. Right? Join this as the 45 degree. Okay. Now this is the portion for the September month. Now your radius again will change. This will be your base now. Your base will change again. Before the base was this. Now the base was turned like this. This will be the base now. This line is the base. From this baseline, you again put the 180 degree. So where the 180 degree will come? 110, 120. You have to see the upper numbers only because we are taking the, sorry, down number because we are taking the 0 here. So where the 180 degree will come? The complete here. So this angle is 180 degree. Got it, children, till here? Got it? Yes. Now again your base will change. And now you are again taking the 0 from the down. Next is 90 degree. Where the 90 degree is coming? Take the base, this one, and put it on the 90 degree. 70, 80, 90 degree here. Got it? So when you put this, this is the 90 degree. And the remaining automatically will be 45 degree. But still you can measure this by putting this is as the base and check whether it is coming 45 degree or not. It is coming 45 degree. But when you make in your notebooks, it will exactly come. So this was 90 degree. Got it, children, this way how to make?
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
if we will divide, then we will divide 30 divided by 120. So we will get the answer and we have to multiply by 360.
Yes.
So we will get 90 degree.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And how to put these angles in your pie chart? Every time the base will change.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to present. Children, everyone done this?
Ma'am, but I did not understand how it will come 90 degree.
How you only have done no 30 divided by 120 multiplied by 360 degree.
Yeah, ma'am.
So your this number of twice will be divided with your total and multiplied with your total angles. Then your part of the angle will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's Nishika.
Yes, Nishika. Done?
Ma'am, see.
Yes, I can see. Good. Show me. Wait a minute. And children, one more thing I want to tell you that you can take now any month. कोई सा भी angle आप पहले ले सकते हैं. If you are drawing 180 degree पहले draw कर रहे हैं, तो then draw others. It's up to you how you are drawing. If you are taking 45 degree, first September, then October, then November, then December, then also all will come same. Okay. If you draw wait a minute. If you draw a circle like this and 180 degree आप पहले ले लेते हो, तो ये तो आपको पता है straight line. तो this half will go as the 180 degree. बाकी के other 3 you can make it in this half. That's also okay. Am I clear with you all? Yes or no, children? So
Yes, ma'am.
you take their angles and plot it on the pie chart. Every time, important thing is every time the base will change when it will rotate. When you rotate your protractor, base will change. Yes, let me see, Pranchu.
Can you see my Dhruv?
Pranchu, it is little untidy. Can you please make it neat? Yes, Dhruvi, can you please show me?
Ma'am, can you see mine, Arna?
Yes, Dhruvi, good. Dhruvi, along with the months, inside you can write the degrees also and write the months also, okay? For example, this was
Ma'am, I have read months.
this is also September and this is for October, this is for November and this is for December. And children, you can color it also. This is up to you how you present your pie chart. You can color it with different colors, the fractional parts, right? Yes, let me pin Anubhavi.
Ma'am, can you see that?
Yeah, Anubhavi, I can see. Good. Okay. Now, who was presenting me? You have learned in your computer class, right? How to make the pie chart.
Yeah, ma'am.
Jaival, will you present your screen and show me?
Ma'am, I know. Can I? I have made that. I have to present or I have to make another one.
No, the way you have made. Same.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute, Ishana. Wait a minute. I hope everyone done this pie chart in your notebooks.
Ma'am, done.
Yes. I'm going to send you questions based on pie chart and line chart. Let me see. Jaiva, present your screen.
Ma'am, I have presented.
Yes.
Ma'am, see.
Very good. So, can you explain us the way you have made this?
Ma'am, in that it is written.
This pie chart is based on what is the title?
Rupees. This is the objects,
Mm-hmm.
and the object is given here, and percentage is given this to here, and on inside direct it is given. This is the rupees. This is objects, and this is for pie chart.
Okay.
Renu ma'am, if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same table that you have done on the board,
Mm-hmm.
okay, if Jaival is typing the same thing, the whole pie chart can be done again.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Will you able to do it, Jaiva?
Jaival, what Renu ma'am has given to you, instead of this pen card, you start writing over it only directly.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep your screen presented और उसी के ऊपर लिख दो तो pie chart अपने आप change हो जाएगा. Will you be able to do it or shall I present?
Left side, so I can see. I have pinned your screen so I can see properly.
Okay,
So
the
ma'am, can
table.
you do the
Ma'am,
left?
can I present?
So I
Wait.
will.
Ma'am,
Wait, Yash. Yashvi, will you able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Jaival, just put your presentation stop.
Yeah.
Yashvi also trying. Yashvi, please do.
Ma'am, I can do now.
Wait, let Yashvi try.
Okay,
Yes,
Vansh
Yashvi.
Kalyani, Vansh Kalyani, beta, sit properly.
Can I erase this board, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
By the time the child prepares, I will do the revision of line graph. Ibrishang, you are facing the difficulty in the line chart, yes?
Ma'am, I have one difficulty in pie chart, how to make a decimal in percentage.
Decimal.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then?
That degree.
The degree in the percentage.
Yes.
It will convert, my dear, that you like, for example, if it is 100 degree, total 100 percentage, right? So 100%, this is 180 degree. So how much percentage is this part?
Ma'am, 50%.
50%. How much percentage is this part?
Ma'am, 25%.
25%. How much percent is this part?
25%.
25%. 1/4 of 100.
present.
Okay, wait a minute, no problem. 100% कोई चीज है, this is the complete pizza which is 100%, तो उसका half हो गया 50%, 1/4 हो गया 25%, another 1/4 is also 25%. Okay, more small part you will face difficulty, but this much तो आपको आ जाएगा ना. If I say this part is how much more than this part, if this is fruit, okay, this is apple. So apple is liked by compared to grapes. How much percentage is more in apple?
25%, ma'am.
25% more people like the apple.
25%.
Yes, 25%. It is not related to peoples. It is the percentage, overall percentage. किसी भी चीज को हम whole चीज complete चीज को हमेशा 100% से compare करते हैं. Okay. For example, in your class, there are 100% students are there. 34 भी students है number में, but the strength is 100%. अब 100% में से कितने girls हैं, कितने boys हैं, that you will show in the pie chart. That is depend on the percentage you will calculate. Okay. More you will learn in the higher grades, but till now you should know that this part, the half is 50%, 1/4 is 25%, and another 1/4 is 50%. जब आप पूरे whole को divide करते हो. Clear, Aryan? Okay, now comes to the line graph.
Yeah,
line graph, like for example, line graph is, yes, who's saying ma'am?
Ma'am, Arush.
Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, can I present and
Later. We will give you chance tomorrow also, no problem. Line graph is same like bar graph, like horizontal axis is important, vertical axis is important, title is important, labeling the x-axis and the y-axis is important. For example, these are the months, and for example, these are the days, and these are the walk in a kilometers, walk per day in kilometer. You also go for walking, right? Yes or no? So this information I want to show that on Monday I walk 8 kilometers. On Tuesday, for example, I'll give you a data like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Monday I walk 8 kilometers. Tuesday I walk 12 kilometers. Wednesday I walk again 6 kilometers. Thursday I walk how many kilometers? Can you guess and tell me? Okay, 14 kilometers can we take? Yes or no?
Yes,
14 kilometers. And on Friday I walk again, come down to, for example, maybe I'm tired or something, I walk only 2 kilometers. And on Saturday again I get up myself and I'm very much so I again come to the 4 or 6, like little bit this way. So this information, if I want to show on the line graph, same I'm showing the days here and I'm showing the walk in the kilometers here. This is the origin point, which is the O. Now same, the gap also should be same. For example, this graph is plotted in your आपके पास तो square notebooks हैं, right? And
Yes,
why you will draw on the square notebooks, it will be easy for you to understand, right? So if I'm taking here, leaving this gap and taking Monday here, Tuesday here, Wednesday here, Thursday here, Friday and Saturday. Clear? And from 0 to here, which table I will take? These are the multiples of
2.
Ma'am, 2.
So I will take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
12.
12, and which is the highest?
14.
12 is the 14.
12.
Okay. Vrishang, please pay attention here. Vrishang, please, those who have facing difficulty in line graph, please pay attention.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Josh.
Ma'am, tables time.
You do this first. On Monday, 8. So go to Monday till 8. This here you put a dot. Tuesday, 6. Tuesday, 12. So from Tuesday, then go till 12 and put a dot here. Then Wednesday,
And we have to
Wednesday 6. Do in your notebook.
notebook.
Graph notebook. Wednesday again it's 6. So Wednesday go till 6. Put the dot here. Year 1. Don't do circle. I'm doing just to see properly. And on Thursday it is 14. So from Thursday go till 14. And Friday 2. And Saturday 6. I'm going to erase this table. So I started from Monday. Join these dots with the scale properly. Monday se Tuesday. Tuesday se then I'll go till Wednesday. It should not be zigzag. The line should be straight, but ye curve will be changed, no problem. But the line should be straight of joining this. Then again you are coming on the, Wednesday is here. Sorry, Wednesday is here. Then from Wednesday, the Thursday is here. And then from Thursday coming, Friday come down. And then Saturday again go up.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, so if on Monday it was 0 kilometers, so we would start with 0.
0.
But if it is not, so we will start from 8.
Yes.
If it is 8
Yes. If it is from 0, you start from 0. Okay.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I have done the graph in Excel. You want to see?
Yes, ma'am. Please present. So children, you are clear with the line graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I show you something?
Wait a minute. Ma'am is presenting. We will see ma'am.
Okay. Renu ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes. Before you were presenting, it was visible. Yes.
Now?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, so this is simple, the column chart.
Mhm.
Now from here, we have to select the chart and then you can make it into a line chart. This is your line chart.
Very good, ma'am. See, children. You have learned in this way, right? So the table is all, ma'am, prepared, and you have to, after preparing a table, you can select and then you will automatically get your line graph ready.
Ma'am, can I show you my pie chart that I have made?
Thank you, ma'am. It's very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Ma'am, can
Yes. Yeah, please. Children, so table I will continue tomorrow. Very good. Those who are preparing are really good. Nice.
Can you
Nicely.
see my screen?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Ishara.
Ma'am, I have did both. That's the month 1.
Wait a minute. Ishana, yes?
Can you
You
see
are-
my screen?
You have done the September one, right?
Yeah. The pie chart also, the bar graph also.
Very good. Very good. So nicely explained by Madhuri ma'am. Madhuri ma'am, this was really nice concept that you have taken in the computers also, and they are really presenting very nicely.
Thank you, ma'am. At least it is a combined effort that they learn in math and they can put it into computers also.
Yes, yes, yes.
And many of them have done it nicely.
Good. Good children. Really appreciate your work. Yes, Arush?
Ma'am, now can I present?
Yeah, please. And children, so today's class is done. Thank you.